Welcome! In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to update drivers on this laptop. So the easiest way to do this is to open the Start menu, then go to Settings, scroll down to the Windows Update section, open it, and then right here you can for now I have the Restart Now button, but you might have the check for updates button, so click on it and then let your Windows check for updates and then install each update that you have prepared for you. This way you will get the newest software for your laptop. Now the next thing that you have to know, that I want you to notice, is advanced option. Go there, select optional updates, and here you'll have both Windows updates. This one is actually irrelevant, but here we also have the driver updates. So you can select the driver update you want to install and click right here to install it. If some driver didn't install at the first attempt, you can complete installing the previous ones by clicking Restart Now. Let your laptop restart after that, and then try again, because some updates just require previous ones to be installed or even to be downloaded beforehand. Now the next way to update drivers, if you want some specific drivers for your laptop, you have to open this Mi Help Center, which is available by the address of mi.com/service/notebook/drivers. So write down this address, and in the next field, first of all, I didn't mention that you have to translate this page if you don't speak Mandarin or Chinese, I'm not sure. And in this field, input the first 5 digits of your serial number. I'm gonna make it easier for you. Give me a while. So on the back side of your laptop, you can notice the serial number of your device, and for me the first 5 digits of the serial number would be 61890. So check yours, and then input them on the following page. Okay, let me place the laptop. Okay, input this number right here, press enter, select your laptop, and then let's translate this page again. And here we got all the drivers for your laptop. So just click on the one that you want to install, and the driver will be installed. For example, let's download the sound card driver. And when the install is complete, open your downloads folder, right click on it, select extract all. You can extract everything in the same directory. Press next and wait until it's extracted. Once it's extracted, click select this application right here, this script, to run the application, select more info and then run anyway, and then wait until the driver is installed. Okay, and this way you update the driver. You just updated the sound driver. And that will be it. So basically, and one thing I didn't mention is that sound drivers require your device to be restarted. So once you install the drivers, it's better if you select the start button and go to power options and select update and restart and wait for the updates to be applied. And that will be it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.